In this objective question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option, specifying the percentage of the male children of this couple with a color blind. After understanding the given color blindness case study, a man whose father was colorblind marries a woman who had a color blind mother and a normal father. With this specification, we need to do the pedigree analysis to specify the correct answer. In this pedigree analysis, when this father is marrying this mother, we'll be getting this many number of F1 hybrid. Why we circled this X? Because this circle the X is indicating the defective X, not in a position to give you a normal vision. So we circle the X with a circle. Why the mother is not a sufferer? Why? Because mother is having other normal X to compensate the issue, unlike father. With this specification, let me go for F1 hybrid analysis. In the F1 hybrid, we are observing the color blind son with the probability of about 50%. So we are choosing option C as the correct answer after avoiding option A, B and D to secure 4 mark.